This is a miniature 3D printed Tenochtitlan, which was a medieval-era Mexica city located in what is now modern-day Mexico City. It served as the capital of the Aztec Empire until its unfortunate sacking by conquistadors 500 years ago. In fact, this month marks the 500-year anniversary of its destruction. This was made in collaboration with Miniworld 3D, who makes really awesome 3D prints of historical architecture. I mean, just look at these, dude's a genius. He even made the Temple of Time from Zelda. Anyway, I modeled this half and Miniworld 3D modeled this half, including the beautiful Templo Mayor, the center of the city. Thanks for joining.